I am deliberating whether I should pierce my ears myself or not. I don't know if I should do this or not because if this gets infected, I can't really go anywhere because COVID-19 is happening. Well, the best thing that can happen is it works and I get a third piercing for free. The worst that can happen is it gets infected and then I can't go anywhere. Also, I've always wanted on my bucket list to be able to say that I've pierced my own ears. Right. Should I just go for it? I don't really have the right tools though. All I have is this pin. I have a lighter that's supposed to sanitize it and I have some alcohol liquid. Do I just do it? I cut my fringe early this quarantine as well. Oh my god, they're really red. I also don't know if they're even. Tell me if they look even. Oh my god, like now that I'm recording this, I kind of like have to do it now. This is just a whole deliberation video. So I could stop this video now. Oh my god, I kind of like, I have an adrenaline rush and I kind of just want to do it now. It's just more of the pain, like, I kind of, oh, I just stabbed a tiny bit. This is totally gonna work, okay. Oh my god, wait, I'm kind of scared now. Oh no, okay, I should do this. I'll be right back with the setup. Okay, oh, why did I just get this? This is alcohol. This is nail polish remover. That is not what I need right now. Okay, I have Dettol. This is so, like, this is not what's supposed to happen. Here is what I've got so far. So I've got a cotton pad, I've got the earrings that were pierced into my ears before, this needle, where'd the lighter go? A lighter, Dettol thingies. It's really happening. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try to do it anyway. Also, I don't have my glasses in or contacts or anything, so I'm gonna have to like go really close. Maybe if I don't see it's better. I think I need an apple. They had like, Parent Trap had an apple. Right, okay. This is, I don't have an overhead camera, so you're just gonna have to deal with it, you know? But that's life. It smells like alcohol, and you know whenever you smell alcohol it means bad decisions, so. During this quarantine I got like a rash all over my hand. Don't know where that's from. Right. Well, I guess it's happening then, people. So, process. I'm going to explain the process to you. I'm going to heat it up. I should probably watch more videos first. Let me come back after like 5 minutes of watching more videos. So, someone's just used cheese as a backboard. I don't have cheese. An onion? No, but that would sting. An eraser? A rubber? They're using a much thicker needle than me. Like, I think you're supposed to have a really thick needle so the hole is bigger. Because if you don't, it will close immediately. But I don't have that kind of... I gotta work with what I got, man. And all I got is this sewing kit. You know, could use this, but that's... Oh, I'm not using that. Look how crooked that is. Wait. No. Okay, just watch some of the videos, and the heating is to sterilize it. It's part of the sterilizing process. Thing is, loads of these people in these videos, they're like, okay, it's fine, we can just get it fixed after. Like, I can't do that. If this goes wrong, well, right, continue watching. They're wasting a big slab of cheese. I would have eaten that. Okay, so she just got the earring in. I don't know if I want to do this anymore, guys. Like, I came so far, but, you know, maybe tomorrow. I feel like tomorrow I won't want to do it, though. Never mind, it didn't go through. That's what I'm scared about. Like, I'm scared I'm gonna get halfway, and it's not gonna go through, and I'm just gonna give up. I'm gonna have, like, half a hole in my ear. Right, earrings coming off. I just need something for the back of my ear. What do I get? I was using the fact that I had nothing for the back of my ear as an excuse, but found an eraser that I can use. So that's not good because that means I gotta do it now. Oh no, this is a really bad idea. Like, does that look even? Does this look even to you? Oh my god, my little hand in my pot. This is such a chaotic video. I think that looks even. Alright, we're just gonna do it. Ow. Welcome to my video, I guess. Whatever. I have a roommate I can ask. I don't want her to know I'm doing something stupid till afterwards, so she doesn't judge me. Okay, no wait. Do I just have like... That's so weird. Never really noticed that. Like, I can see my ears so well on this. Can't see what's going on here. You know what, whatever, scratch that, I'm just doing it. Never mind, it didn't go through. That's what I'm scared about. Like, I'm scared I'm gonna get halfway and it's not gonna go through, and I'm just gonna give up and I'm gonna like hop a hole in my ear. Updates. I've just paused the music because I don't want to get copyright claimed. Ugh. My jaw's really hurting. I don't know if you can see this. There's a needle sticking out of my ear right now. There's a very little tiny bit to go. It's really painful. This is taking too long. I spent like 7 minutes on this ear. I think the needle's too small. I've also... See that little bit of light? Crack my phone. Oh, snap. Okay. That's not the timer, people. It's not the timer. I was like looking for my phone. This is my phone, right? It's not gonna work. You know why? This is too thin and this is too thick. Ooh, she thick, double C. But it's done now. There's a needle in my ear, so see you guys in 5 minutes. It has now been 5 minutes. I'm scared this is not gonna fit. Hopefully this shouldn't close, but the thing is, like, this is such a small needle that I feel like this is just gonna be painful. Maybe I should wear glasses because I need to see what I'm actually doing. No way. No freaking way. It's closed. Oh, that sucks. Gone. Wasted. It's closed already. Well, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Do I just shove it in again? I feel like that's gonna damage my ear. Okay, no more thinking, just doing. Nope, it's gone. That's so weird. What the heck? Do I just do the other ear now? This is not gonna work. I know. Here's the plan. I can hear... Oh my god. You know when you bite into an apple and it makes like a little crunch sound? I can hear that in my ear. This is so unsanitary. Move on to the other ear, I guess? But there's no point. How am I gonna advance? How am I gonna proceed if I use the same methods that didn't work the first time? I'm over this. I'm over it. I feel like I'm on such a low now, so this is gonna be so much more painful because I'm not feeling any adrenaline anymore. It's just sadness. Right, here we go, guys. Second time. This. Oh, ow, oh, ow, ow. I just burned myself. This is so bad. Okay, you know what? If you're doing this again, just don't do whatever I'm doing. It's also nearly 1 o'clock here. This one I don't feel so confident at because I just feel sad. This one hurts so much more. I can hear the apple sound again. Also, last time I went to some place to pierce my ears the first time, they said I had thick lobes. So here's an update. I've got half an earring in this ear. I've got half a needle. It's not even half. It's barely gone in. It's nearly 1. Do I continue? I still haven't finished a movie I wanted to watch. Okay, I'm talking too much. When you do it at I guess they're professionals. That's really why. They like breathe in, breathe out, done. I want to give up so badly, but it's like, it's so far and I can't, you know? It's like I've come too far. It doesn't even freaking matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. More crunching sounds, people. We're getting somewhere. Every time there's a crunching sound, I'm damaging my ear more, but it's getting through faster, so... Guys, we've really hit rock bottom here. What if I can't take this out and it's stuck like that? Oh god. I'm not thinking about that right now. Dear whoever is up there, I feel like I've been okay in my life. I'm really proud of something that I did over this quarantine time because so far I haven't done a single thing. So, you know, it would make my day if I could just get like 2 piercings in. Like that's it. That's all I want. Please. I don't know if that was gonna work. Let's find out. But that one hurt. Got it through, but this one is like hurting. Right. 5 minutes starting. 5 minutes. I feel like, okay. 6 minutes. Should we just do 10 minutes? Why not? 10 minutes. Oh, I did 10 seconds. Oh god. 10 minutes. Right, just gonna wait. Alright, you're coming back up here. I don't know how much of this footage I'm even gonna use. No freaking way. Look, guys. Oh, never mind. They'll be like, you idiot, why did you do that? Oh my gosh, when you got needles stuck in your ear. This is the epitome of procrastination. Yeah, I haven't told them I'm doing this. We're on a budget, people. We've gotta... Right, that's for my right ear. Okay, so here's the thing. I've got like... it's like, this is what I was trying to do, but I feel like this isn't going in any further. No freaking way. I think it's done. So thanks for coming. It actually went through all the freaking way. So it wasn't okay to begin with, but I mean, it's a story. We've come a long way. Let me put you here. And I think it just went off. Right? Should we just do the other one? I'll do the discussion at the end. This is... Okay, right, let's do this next year, I guess. Wait, I think the needle is bent. How did I shove that in my ear? This is really boring and I'm feeling really sad. Do I take it out and then do it tomorrow? What if the ear's already like permanently damaged now? I'm taking it out. I'm taking it out. I've been doing meditation each day. So I popped one on because I don't want to ruin my daily streak. And I put on a 3-minute breathing session. So breathed in 2 times, didn't work. A third one, they were like, close your eyes. I was like, right, I'm doing it. This is it. Pain, push yourself through it. You can do it, baby. So I did it. Boys, it's in. It's a cake. Wasn't even a problem. Didn't even scream. You know what? Yeah, guys, that didn't hurt at all. Like, this was easy. No, that was the most painful thing ever. If you're gonna do it, be ready for pain. That's all I gotta say. Where did my earring go? Let's find it together, people. We've come on this journey. I feel like we've been through a lot together. Here it is. Let's see the finished result. Thanks for coming along my journey. You know, let's do a little tour of my red ears. But yeah, here. Let me turn this around. I don't think they're even, but it's too late now, I guess, so. I can take these out too, because these were to cast up my absolute mess. This doesn't really affect my life at all, except the fact that I can say that I've done it. I'll put some drops in now. This was a really bad idea.